Want to keep your car running smoothly and avoid costly trips to the mechanic? A good car diagnostic tool is a must-have for both professionals and everyday drivers. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best car diagnostic tools you can get right now. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Kingbolen S6 Car Diagnostic Tools. The Kingbolen S6 Car Diagnostic Tool is designed to deliver advanced diagnostic capabilities for both car owners and professional technicians. With its Bluetooth-enabled connectivity and auto VIN feature, it allows quick identification of a vehicle's details such as year, manufacturer, and model, ensuring accurate diagnostics with just one click. Capable of scanning all electronic control modules, the S6 can read and clear fault codes, display ECU information, and provide live data across key systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, TPMS, windows, seats, and audio. This versatile scanner offers 28 essential maintenance functions, covering tasks such as brake reset, oil light reset, SAS reset, TPMS reset, injector coating, and electric throttle relearn. These functions make routine vehicle maintenance more convenient and cost-effective, empowering users to handle many service procedures without relying entirely on workshops. Supporting 10 OBD2 modes, the Kingbolen S6 provides complete functionality, from reading and clearing fault codes to running O2 sensor monitoring, evap tests, freeze frame data analysis, and 4-in-1 live data streaming. With continuous monitoring, it ensures that users stay informed about their vehicle's real-time performance and health. Equipped with modern hardware, the S6 runs on an Android-based system with a quad-core processor, a 5.99-inch HD touchscreen, and 2 GB plus 32 GB memory, offering fast, smooth performance and ample storage. Its lifetime free one-click updates via Wi-Fi guarantee ongoing improvements, expanded compatibility, and access to the latest diagnostic features. Additional tools like feedback reporting, screenshots, data recording, playback, and even a built-in Google browser further enhance usability. Coming in at number 4, we have the Mucar VO6 Car Diagnostic Tools. The Mucar VO6 Car Diagnostic Tool is designed to provide car owners, enthusiasts, and technicians with a powerful and reliable way to maintain their vehicles. Built with advanced diagnostic capabilities, it offers lifetime free full-system diagnostics for all cars, connecting directly to the electronic control systems of the vehicle. Through this connection, it can perform functional tests, retrieve diagnostic information, and display real-time data across essential systems such as the engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, brake system, fuel system, emissions, and more. One of its standout features is ECU coding, which allows users to reflash and reprogram vehicle control modules. This is especially useful after repairs or parts replacement, as it helps resolve issues related to drivability, fuel efficiency, power loss, and mechanical durability. Beyond repair-related benefits, ECU coding unlocks hidden car features such as customizing chime sounds, adjusting one-touch signal flickers, and managing auto start-stop settings. The VO6 also supports active testing, letting users directly trigger specific actuators without manual input from the vehicle's controls. With this function, users can test components like the radiator fan, throttle, windows, mirrors, lights, horn, and door locks, ensuring quick and precise troubleshooting. For fault management, the tool can read extensive codes from the OBD system, including current, pending, and permanent ones. It also allows users to clear fault codes and turn off the check engine light effectively. Additionally, it provides live data visualization in easy-to-read graphs, along with freeze-frame data, which captures the exact operating conditions when a fault occurs. Other valuable functions include IM readiness checks for emissions compliance, O2 sensor testing, onboard monitor tests, evap leak detection, and complete retrieval of vehicle information such as VIN, SINs, and CVNs. At number 3, the Otofix D1 Lite Car Diagnostic Tools. The Otofix D1 Lite car diagnostic tool is a powerful and versatile solution designed to meet the demands of both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. With its upgraded hardware and broad vehicle coverage, it delivers precise and efficient diagnostics for over 100,000 vehicle models worldwide. Equipped with an Android 9.0 operating system, a 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, 2 GB RAM, and 64 GB ROM, the D1 Lite ensures fast performance and smooth operation. Its 5800 mAh battery provides long-lasting usage, making it reliable for extended diagnostic sessions. Supporting 21+ languages, it is suitable for users across the globe. The device is paired with the V1 Bluetooth 5.0 connector, enabling advanced compatibility with CAN-FD and DOIP protocols. It supports modern vehicles including GM Cavalier, Trax Encore, Volvo after 2018, and Land Rover/Jaguar after 2017. With AutoAuth registration, it also gains access to FCA SGW-equipped cars from 2018 onwards, while also extending compatibility to luxury brands like Maserati, Ferrari, and Mercedes. One of its standout features is the bidirectional control, which allows users to send commands directly to the ECU module for functions such as ABS, windows, doors, headlights, and more. This feature helps pinpoint issues quickly and reduces both time and cost in repairs. For maintenance professionals, the Otofix D1 Lite provides 38+ reset functions, covering oil reset, injector coating, TPMS reset, throttle matching, suspension calibration, and more. These functions are invaluable for repair workshops, ensuring a competitive edge and the ability to handle a wide range of service needs. Beyond resets, the D1 Lite performs full system diagnostics with OE-level accuracy, covering the engine, transmission, airbags, ABS, ESP, TPMS, immobilizer, steering, and more. It can read ECU information, retrieve and clear fault codes, and provide live data streams with a single click, offering comprehensive insights for in-depth troubleshooting. In the second spot, we have the Thinktool Mini 2 car diagnostic tools. The Thinktool Mini 2 car diagnostic tool is a compact yet powerful solution designed to provide lifetime free access to full system diagnostics for your vehicle. This advanced Bluetooth-enabled OBD2 scanner goes beyond standard code reading, offering comprehensive coverage across all major vehicle systems, including IMO, engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, ESP, TPMS, SRS, BMS, steering, air conditioning, and more. Its Auto VIN feature ensures quick and accurate vehicle identification, streamlining the diagnostic process. One of the standout functions of the Thinktool Mini 2 is its ability to diagnose specific systems in detail. For instance, it checks the ABS system to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes, view live data, and highlight pending issues that may affect braking performance. The tool also reads the SRS system to detect faults in airbags, providing timely alerts for necessary repairs or replacements to maintain safety. When it comes to the transmission, it evaluates diagnostic codes and determines whether the vehicle's speed and load align correctly with transmission power output, helping users prevent long-term issues. Additionally, the scanner works with the tire pressure monitoring system to verify that the ECU's stored ID information matches the tire pressure sensor IDs, ensuring reliable communication and enhanced driving safety. Beyond diagnostics, the Thinktool Mini 2 offers 28 value-added maintenance reset services, covering functions such as AFS, BMS, oil, brake, IMO, inject, SAS, TPMS, and more. These reset features provide direct access to various vehicle systems, making routine maintenance tasks easier and more efficient. From resetting the oil light to performing brake bleeding or gear resets, the tool simplifies essential servicing and ensures your vehicle remains in peak condition. Combining ease of use, wireless convenience, and professional-grade functionality, the Thinktool Mini 2 stands out as a reliable companion for drivers, mechanics, and automotive enthusiasts who want to keep their vehicles running smoothly with confidence. And finally, at number 1, we have the Autel Maxicom car diagnostic tools. The Autel Maxicom MK900BT is a next-generation car diagnostic tool built for professionals who demand speed, accuracy, and versatility. Designed as the successor to the MK808BT Pro, this upgraded model combines advanced hardware and software enhancements with the reliability Autel is known for. Powered by Android 11, the device ensures smooth operation and seamless multitasking. Its 8-inch high-resolution touchscreen offers a clear, responsive interface, making it easy to navigate through diagnostics and service menus. With an improved processor, longer battery life, and expanded memory, the MK900BT delivers faster performance and enhanced efficiency. The tool provides exceptional OE-level system coverage across US, Asian, and European vehicles, supporting more than 3,000 active tests and over 40 specialized services. It enables technicians to perform full system diagnostics, read and clear codes, view live data in graphical form, access ECU information, and execute bidirectional tests for advanced troubleshooting. Smart Auto VIN technology streamlines vehicle identification, while support for the latest protocols, including DIOP and CAN-FD, ensures compatibility with modern vehicle systems. Workshop productivity is further enhanced with features such as pre- and post-scan reporting, Wi-Fi printing, and automatic updates delivered in real time. Data management tools allow technicians to store customer information, vehicle history, and diagnostic records all in one place. Remote access technical support also makes it easier to resolve complex issues. With Bluetooth connectivity, the MK900BT pairs seamlessly with accessories like the BT506 battery tester, providing a more complete diagnostic experience. Whether managing multiple vehicles or performing detailed service tasks, this scanner is designed as a one-stop solution for professional auto workshops.